Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Dogecoin from your Coinbase wallet to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently and securely. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just explore new wallets, this tutorial is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device. Open up your Coinbase Wallet and log in. You'll want to navigate to your Dogecoin balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Double check that you have some Doge ready to transfer. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. This is where your Dogecoin will end up, so go to the Dogecoin section, look for the Doge icon. Here, you'll find your wallet address. Tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, head back to Coinbase Wallet. Select your Dogecoin asset and hit the Send or Transfer button. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might be around 2025 standard rates. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to authenticate with your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you have set up. Once you've sent it, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your Dogecoin balance to see your funds arrive. Awesome job! You've just made a successful transfer. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network. Dogecoin typically uses its own network, so double check that in both wallets to prevent any losses. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.